What's good, guys? It's Amanh here, and today we're going to be making a Ken Carson type beat. So right now we have the BPM to 156, and I already created like an 808 pattern just to create like a groove. So this is what we have. So now I just added this pluck to go along with the 808. I just created the synth counter melody part along with the beat. I created these two chord parts. This is the first one. And this is the second one. And then I created these high part chord thingies. So then after all that, I found this sound that sounds like the one he uses in his song Overseas. But it's not the same, but it's close. So then I decided I'd create something using it. So this is what we got. Last but not least, we have the drums. And this is the final beat. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and let me know if you want more content like this.